development we would want.
The state government yesterday announced its decision to dissolve the Meghalaya State Housing Board and to spend Rs 7.42 crores for granting voluntary retirement scheme to 18 employees of the board. Addressing the media after chairing a cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Govt K. Sangma informed that the cabinet has approved this particular proposal to dissolve the Meghalaya State Housing Board and to grant VRS to the 18 employees of the board.
Decision to dissolve the Meghalaya State Housing Board and of granting the voluntary retirement scheme to the employees of the Meghalaya Housing Board. As you're aware that this is a long pending decision, and a lot of the employees in the Housing Board have been requesting that this be done at the earliest, and the Cabinet has approved this particular proposal to dissolve the Meghalaya State Housing Board and to grant voluntary retirement scheme to the employees of the Meghalaya State Housing Board.
How many employees, sir?
There are 18 of them.
The state government on Wednesday